Hi, I'm Dr. Lena Roeder, veterinarian and owner of Dublin Animal Hospital. And we're coming up on September, which is Senior Pet Wellness Month. And I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about the importance of regular veterinary care for your senior pet. The first thing to talk about is at what age do we actually consider pets senior? And that really varies depending upon the species and the breed of pet. Our large breed dogs, such as German Shepherds and Golden Retrievers, we consider senior at around 7 years of age, whereas our smaller breeds like Lhasas and Terrier mixes may not reach their senior years until 10 years or older. Kitty cats live a little longer than dogs, and we classify them sort of like the small breed dogs, where around 10 years of age we consider them seniors. And then if you have a giant dog, such as a Great Dane or St. Bernard, they can actually reach their senior years as young as 5 years of age. As with their human counterparts, as dogs become senior, they have different medical needs than they did when they were younger. We can start to see cardiac disease, thyroid dysfunction, kidney and liver disease develop as they reach their older years in much more frequently than we did when they were young. And early detection of these diseases becomes very important. As your dog ages, early on people will say things like 1 year in a dog's life is like 7 in a human's, but in reality that changes throughout the pet's life. For instance, a human who is 40 and a small breed dog who is 7 are very similar in age. By the time a human is 46 or 47, they look very similar to how they did at 40, whereas a dog or a dog who is aged that 4 to 7 years is reaching their very, very geriatric years. Therefore, when they're seniors, we only see them once a year, we are at risk of missing a lot of physiologic changes. The kidney function can change markedly, tumors can develop, and we recommend that these animals be seen at least twice a year to go over how they're doing at home and do some diagnostic testing to see if anything has changed that needs to be addressed. At Dublin Animal Hospital, we do offer a senior blood panel. We offer this for both cats and dogs. It's a full blood panel. It checks all of their major organ function. It looks at their complete blood counts, checks their thyroid levels, and we also get a urinalysis with this panel, which tells us a little bit more about internal organ function and also can pick up urinary tract infections, which become much more common in geriatric pets. The comfort and happiness of your senior pet and your pet throughout its life is our primary concern at Dublin Animal Hospital. We want to keep them as happy as possible, as comfortable as possible, with a good quality of life for as long as possible. And seeing them at least twice a year is a tool that we use to accomplish this.